I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read Telegram trading signals. Start by identifying the type of signal and whether it is long, short, or scalp. Always note the exact entry price, stop-loss level, and take profit targets in the message. Cross-check the signal with the channel's historical accuracy and open-source charts. Use position sizing rules to manage risk and avoid overleveraging while following any active alerts. When a message arrives, read it carefully and capture the key fields immediately. Treat entry, SL, and TP as mandatory data points and copy them into your trade journal. Note the time frame referenced because signals for 5M differ from 4H targets. If the message lacks clarity, wait for confirmation or ask the channel for clarification. Consistency in message format makes execution faster and reduces costly mistakes during volatile moves. Verify every signal using your own chart analysis before committing capital, and track wins and losses in a spreadsheet. Use your charting platform to confirm trend, support, and resistance align with the suggested entry. Set price alerts on your exchange and Telegram to ensure you can act quickly on time-sensitive signals. Over time, identify which channels fit your strategy and focus on those with reliable, repeatable outcomes rather than chasing every new tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.